nice. So don't put any stains. No one wants that skid marks in there. Are you broke? Because I'm broke. Welcome to the final part of my crazy closet where we're going to eke all my clothes. So today I'm going to show you everything I've been up to on Depop, and we're also going to go to a charity bank. Obviously at the moment, lockdown, none of the charity shops are open. However, I have been able to find some of the charity bins to travel to and put them in. I want to double check that it's a charity bin or it might be a recycle bin. We'll figure out when we get there. And there's also going to be a little Easter treats for us all. I hope you all had a good Friday. You see what I did there? Right, let's get straight into it. Let's go onto my phone. So let's go into Depop. So Depop, if you guys haven't used it before, it's just a place that you can sell swap clothes really. So what I decided to do was I set up a little studio to take all the clothes out, because one of the big things that I've seen on Depop is that it does really matter how the pictures turn out, because obviously, like anything, we all buy with our eyes. So that's what I had to take into account. So far I've actually sold 4 items, 4 out of 9 items, which I'm super proud of. The first item I actually sold were these pair of trousers. All these clothes you'll recognise from the Crazy Closet. A couple of these dresses weren't featured on the Crazy Closet, but they did actually sell. And the latest pieces I've actually sold were this pair of trousers, and if you guys remember the black dress with the sleeves, and they actually sold to 2 of my very good friends who watched the first episode and was like, I want those. So yeah, that was really cool. But even better, let's go pack their items. So now I'm packing the 2 items that I've just sold. So what I've decided is I bought quite a few of these, but it was a pack of 4 and I seem to have lost one. So I'm being the broke self that I am, and I'm recycling eBay package that just came. So what I'm just going to do is, firstly I'm going to have to hand sanitize. Gotta keep it all sanitized. So after hand sanitizing, I'm now gonna pack these in. And what I also like to do is give away a little bath bombs. I have quite a lot of bath bombs, but I don't have a bath. So, you know, I always think it's more important. Take care and self-care. Let's do this. Now I've packed these, I'm going to take you guys to the post office, but we're going to walk, so come with us. That's now all sent off. So whilst we're in town, we may as well see what Easter deals some shops have got. Come on, let's have a look. The clothes. No. So that was a bit of a fail. As you guys saw, Poundland was closed, so I couldn't find any Easter bargains in there. But don't worry, hold up. I'm going to take you guys to Aldi and Home Bargains and we'll see what's there for you. Let's go! So as I said earlier, it should be Easter Sunday tomorrow. If you don't celebrate Easter, that's totally fine, but if you still want to have a look what they've got, why not come with us? So we're going to go into Aldi and Home Bargains just to see what Easter treats hopefully you've picked up or for next year. So we are at a clothes bank. This is the closest one to us, and I've just called the number to make sure that they're still run. And they said they open it every week. So we're gonna put some goodies in there. But remember, don't always put like your clothes into clothing banks. Like, these are actually for people. Put some nice stuff. Don't put any stains. No one wants that skid marks in there. So we're back home now, and that will be that for the crazy closet. It's been so much fun. I hope you guys have had fun watching me eat, tweak and keep some items. Don't worry though, more videos will be coming in later weeks. So yeah, this has been great fun, and I hope you guys liked seeing just some little bits in Aldi and Home Bargains. I've been Karis, I've been living my best broke life, and I hope you guys are too. Have a great Easter!